Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. TVJ Sports has been reliably informed that Wolmer's Boys School and veteran track and field coach Danny Hawthorne have parted company. Spencer Darlington has that story.
After 4 years in charge of the Wolmer's Boys Track and Field program, Danny Hawthorne and the Hero Circle-based school have apparently severed ties. When contacted by TVJ Sports on Thursday, Hawthorne refused to go into details, only saying that the Wolmer's Boys principal, Dwight Pennycook, probably wants to take the program in a different direction and maybe he wasn't a part of the principal's plans. We also contacted Principal Pennycook, who said he was in a meeting and could not speak on the matter at that moment, adding that he would be in a better position to speak on Friday. In the meantime, our sources have informed us that the MVP Track Club will take over the track and field program at Wolmer's Boys. We reached out to the club president, Bruce James, who confirmed the latest development.
The headmaster of Wolmer's, Mr. Pennycook, has invited the MVP Track and Field Club to play a positive role with the redevelopment of the Wolmer's Boys School track team. This takes effect on the 1st of January 2021. And the Wolmer's Boys School happens to be where the MVP Track and Field Club was founded. And the MVP Track and Field Club management consists of Wolmer's old boys such as Stephen Francis, Paul Francis, Andre Edwards, Adrian Laidlaw, Bruce James. So, yeah, we're happy to help the Wolmer's Boys School track and field team and the program rebuilding.
James added that the coaching staff for the 12-time Boys Championship winners is being assembled at the moment.
A number of coaches are being contacted now, and we're going to be building up the team. We plan on using some coaches from MVP as well to assist with the program.
James was also asked about Hawthorne's present standing with the team. What's the status of Mr. Danny Hawthorne then?
I'm unaware. When the headmaster invited the MVP Track and Field Club to play this role, he advised us that there was no coaches at Wolmer's for the track team.
It's understood that there has been very little or no communication between Hawthorne and the school's administration since March of last year, when schools went into lockdown to guard against the spread of the COVID-19 virus. It's further understood that Hawthorne subsequently wrote to the principal, Dwight Pennycook, seeking clarification on certain aspects of the school's track and field program, but got no response. Hawthorne started at Wolmer's Boys in 2016 when he replaced Christopher Harley as head coach for the track and field team. Prior to that, he spent almost 18 years at St. Jago High, where he guided the likes of Johan Blake, Nickel Ashmead and Riker Hilton. Wolmer's last won the Boys Championship title at the 100th staging of the event in 2010. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.